Many students are unsure when to underline a title or when to use quotation marks for a title. The graphic in front of you gives the most basic explanation. If it's a whole work, a complete book, an entire newspaper, the full series of a television show, those get either underlined or italicized. If it's a part of a larger piece, so if it's a chapter to a book or an article in a newspaper, those smaller parts go in quotation marks. In this essay, a chart that's being published as part of a larger course or work is going in quotation marks as well. So titles for charts or graphs will typically be in quotation marks. And so when we are referencing this chart titled Types of Sources, we will use that as a title. We will follow title capitalization. And so we're always going to capitalize the first and last word. We're going to lowercase of because it's a preposition. That's going to go here when we introduce our evidence. Remember that you need to reference the chart even if you are not using a specific quote, but if you're pulling the information from the chart, you need to be giving credit to that source. An easy way would just be to say, based on the types of sources chart, primary sources are first-hand accounts. Notice that I am using a pair of exact phrases from this. I'm pulling a little bit from the definition and then a little bit from the advantage, since this is an essay where we're trying to say what makes them the stronger source. So I'm using a short reference tag at the beginning. I'm properly capitalizing. I'm using quotation marks. I'm mentioning that this is a chart so my audience knows what kind of information I am pulling from. From there, you can work it into your own sentence.